Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. So before we get into this video, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we're going to be getting into Foxybae. I got the Foxybae 32mm rose gold curling wand. So I love beachy curls. I love body wave curls when it comes to like my long hair or things like that. I like beachy waves. I really don't care for like tight curls. But they had this on sale, so I knew I had to grab it. And I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys. So we're going to do the unboxing. Then we're going to get into styling this wig of mine. I do want to say this wig comes from Mega Look Hair. At this point, Mega Look Hair needs to sponsor me because I feel like I wear their hair all the time. So, Mega Look, if you're listening, sponsor your girl. Sponsor your girl. Anyway, guys, this is one of their 20-inch body wave wigs. So, the hair is looking crazy flat, so we're gonna spruce it up with this wand here. So first of all, definitely love the packaging. Like the packaging itself is just so beautiful. I love the black and the rose gold font. I love like the abstract background thing going on. So definitely an A+ for packaging. Again, this is their Wonderlux 32mm curling wand, and ta-da! So this is the rose gold wand. So it says it features a rose gold titanium. It's good against moisture, faster styling time, big and bouncy curls, shiny and smooth, safe and easy. So you get this, you get all the things on the back of this. So underneath the wand, it does come with a heat protectant glove, and then it also comes with like a brochure type. Can't really see it on camera, but it gives like the care, storing, warnings, you know, all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this bad boy crank up. What I do also love about it when it comes to like when you're done curling your hair and you want to store it, I love when they come with the Velcro strap, so where you can just bunch all the cords back up and, you know, tighten it back around. I love this because it kind of like, you won't have cords everywhere. It won't feel like it's a whole mess going on. So another plus. Alright, so this is this bad boy. I love how it has this. I just like to pay attention to detail. Again, I love everything about it. I love the grips on the back. Best for handling so your hand won't slip. So right now it is off, as you can see. So I'm going to turn it on. Oops, I'm going to turn it on by hitting the power button, which is the middle button. Is it going to turn on? Hold on. Oh, you have to press it down. So right now it's starting off and it's going up. It's heating up. So I'm going to put it on about 410. And as you can see that it's heating up. it's heating up super fast, so I like this. So while this is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my hair. And look, it's already at 410, ready, hot, ready to go. So I'm going to put a little heat protectant in my hair. So I'm going to spray a little heat protectant, and this is the Chi Chai 44 Iron Guard. So I will do one side on camera with you guys, and then I'm going to do this side off camera. Before I forget, let me go ahead and put on this. So this is what the curl is looking like. I'm going to do another piece. So I'm trying to keep it on there between 10 to 15 seconds. I think that's kind of like enough time. And when I get the curl, I like to squeeze it up and then let it fall. So this is what the curls are looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep going on. I will say I'm really loving how these curls are coming along. I love how they're looking so big, so full. I can't wait till the end to really. I love it so far.
Date or something? She don't know.
You didn't see my car when you left? Alright, so I'm gonna let these cool down over here. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and we'll be back for the final reveal. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the curls. I haven't finger combed them yet. I haven't done anything. I haven't applied any other product, and I won't apply any other product. I'm gonna just leave it how it is. But this is what it looks like. Really luscious, big curls. This did the trick. I really love this. I love how the other wand curler I had, it kind of went from like big to small. I like how this one is just one size all over, so all the curls are evenly the same size, you know, evenly distributed. I am super obsessed with this wand curler. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do this side first. I'm gonna just let this side cool down a little more, and I'm just going to just run my fingers through the curls. Just look, and then they get uniformed again. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. I am super, super, super obsessed with this curler. It just makes me want to just like throw the other one away. Like, I don't even care. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back of my hair. Just look at the luscious curls, y'all. Oh, what you say? My hair is cute. Thank you. You know what I used? Foxybae. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys. If you guys like this hair, if you guys like this video, if you guys like this tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also don't forget to hit that like button. We're on the road to 1K, so hope you guys like this video. Again, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning into my video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.